Hello there, I'm Jim Whitney from Primary Concepts, and I'd like to show you our big new product and the buzz of the industry, which is the HourGlass classroom timer and noise meter. The HourGlass is a dual function device which functions as a classroom noise controller, and we set our noise levels anywhere we would like, from silent to whisper to soft voices to normal voices to loud voices to the cafeteria at lunchtime. As we talk in our classroom and noise levels go up and down and I get too loud, it lets me know it's time class to settle down. That is set on soft voices. I'll move it to normal voices, and you have to get quite a bit louder for it to go off, but it will. Then flip the switch and the product becomes a classroom visual sand timer. Set the time anywhere from 1 minute to 60 minutes. Press start and the sand timer begins operation. Just like any sand timer, you can watch the sand particles drop from top to bottom. They fill up the bottom, disappear from the top. The product is large enough to be seen from the back of the classroom. It can sit on the teacher's desk, or there's a convenient keyhole for hanging it on the wall if you prefer. It runs on 4 C-cell batteries. These are low drain LEDs. We expect normal classroom battery life to be somewhere between 6 months and 2 years. Or there's an optional AC adapter, which is $9.95. As you can see, our time's almost up. The lights are turning red, and pretty soon the HourGlass tells us time is up. The HourGlass is Primary Concepts PC 7500. The AC adapter is PC 7501. The suggested retail of HourGlass is $99.95. The AC adapter is $9.95. For more information, look for your new Primary Concepts dealer catalog in the mail now, or go to www.primaryconceptsdealer.com for a digital copy. Thank you very much.